Hello everyone. Let's learn how to make Chinese fall-time delicacy, mooncake. First, we need to soak the dried lotus seeds overnight, and the following day, we need to check for inside sprouts. If there are sprouts, we need to get rid of it. Then boil the soaked lotus seeds on pressure cooker for 30 plus minutes until they're soft and creamy. Then add some water and blend the lotus seeds and set aside. Then we are making the dough. For the dough, let's mix the liquid ingredients first thoroughly, then add the cake flour. We may not need all the cake flour, so gradually add them until the dough is soft and pliable. Then wrap in plastic wrap and set aside at room temperature for 3 hours. Then bake the egg yolks, the salted egg yolks, on 300-degree Fahrenheit temperature for 5 minutes. Now let's cook the lotus paste. Add all the ingredient and reduce the lotus paste. Add the oil in batches. Reduce until it's come off from the sides of the pan and it doesn't smudge when you touch it with your finger. Then place it on a glass container and cover it to cool down so that it doesn't crust over. Then we're gonna make the dough balls, 12 of the dough balls, 12 of the lotus paste ball, and separate the egg yolks after you bake them. Place the egg yolk on the lotus seed balls, close them, and flatten the dough balls and wrap the lotus seed ball with them and close. Dust the balls, dust the work surface, dust the mold. Then put the dough ball inside the mold and press for a while and release carefully. If you are making vegan mooncake, skip the egg yolk and increase the lotus seed ball amount. Place on a baking tray about 1 inch apart. Spray water over them and bake on a 335-degree oven for 6 minutes. Take it out, brush the egg wash over on top and side of the mooncakes and bake for 6 more minutes. Repeat the egg wash and bake for 6 more minutes. Process again. Take them out, cool them completely, and put it on a glass container and cover it and keep this at room temperature for 2 days. Then you can enjoy. Thanks for watching.